Hello everyone, I'm Lucy. Today, I'm going to introduce you to this compact and convenient NerdAxe Ultra 500 Gigabit mini miner. It has very low noise and easy to use. Here's the display screen. The upper left corner is the screen on or off button, and the bottom one is the screen switching button. This is its cooling fan. On the left side, there's a USB port, which we generally don't recommend using, and there's also a power port. This is the 5 volts power adapter, used to power the miner. This is its main interface. The bottom row displays the miner's network. We connect it via a smartphone or computer to access the mining interface. Next, I'll show you how to operate it on a computer. First, connect to the miner's Wi-Fi. Once connected, we'll enter the setup page. This is its main interface. Click on Settings. The hostname doesn't need to be changed. Make sure to use a 2.4 GHz network for Wi-Fi. Fill in the URL with the mining pool, and user is the wallet address. For the frequency, we usually select 550. The voltage is 1250. These are default settings, so no need to change them. Click Save, and we should see the success notification in the bottom right corner. Go ahead and click here to restart. A success message will appear indicating the restart is complete. Similarly, the miner's screen will also show that it's restarting. Now, we connect to the network we just set up. Here, we'll see an IP address. Enter this into our browser. Great, we've entered the mining interface, where we can view various data of the miner. These include real-time hash rate, the number of submitted tasks, operational efficiency, and mining difficulty. Below that, there's a graph showing the hash rate. These are the operating power consumption figures of the miner. Below these are the mining pool information and wallet addresses. Click on Logs to view the miner's work data. Go back to the miner's operational page. On the miner's screen, in addition to the IP address here, BD represents the mining difficulty. This data shows the current hash rate. This symbol indicates the fan speed. Below is the miner's temperature. At the top right, BM1366 represents the ASIC chip model. Below are the miner's operating data. Click the switch button to view the miner's voltage, frequency, fan speed, and mining pool information. We can also check the earnings display. Okay, after running for a while, the hash rate has reached around 500 gigahash per second. Well, the above is how this miner operates. Thank you for watching. See you.